Welcome to the Crypto Angel channel. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now still struggling. I said in the live stream yesterday, if we do stay below $88,300, I'm bearish on Bitcoin on the smaller time frames. And if you do crack 88.3, then your next resistance is $90,300. But on the daily time frame, I'm still bearish on Bitcoin unless you crack $95,000, because that is where the top of this potential bear flag is developing. If you crack $95,000, we can confidently say the bear flag is over and we are likely to pump from there. Until you break 95K on the daily time frame, I don't see why the lower highs and lower lows trend for Bitcoin will not continue to the downside. And if this bear flag dumps, your measure move is 57,000. I don't think you stop there if we go down there, because your next support below that is 50,000. So if we go down to 57,000, I'd be surprised if we don't touch 50,000, and then 43,000 if that gets lost. That's a long ways away, but I'm just giving you the extreme scenario, which could eventually happen in the next 3 to 6 months. I hope it takes a long time, and I would like Bitcoin to go retest 100K at least one more time before that happens. If it happens, I would love Bitcoin to go back, touch $95,000 to $100,000, and then go down to 40, 50K. That'd be completely fine by me. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but that'd be okay by me. But for right now, on the smaller time frames, if Bitcoin gets back with 88.3, you can look for 90,300. And then if you get back with 90,300, your next resistance that I see is basically that 95K region. And then you have very strong resistance at 96,000. But that's kind of what I see going on. I see very strong resistance at 95,000, so you have to break that, and that's kind of what I see going on for Bitcoin. If you stay below 88.3, then I see no reason why in due time, especially when the new week comes around Monday, Tuesday, why we don't eventually go back and test the low 86K range at 86.1, 86.2. That's kind of my if this and that scenario. It's so much chop right now, not financial advice, but I'm not trading this. I'm not trading Bitcoin right now. I'm trading alts. I'm in a short on Shiba Inu, but I'm not touching Bitcoin. It's just complete chop, and to me, this is pretty, unless you're scalping like the 5-minute time frame, it's hard to really trade this. But this is an update. These are the price levels to watch out for. If you guys enjoyed this update, appreciate if you guys hit the like and subscribe button. It does help support the channel. I'll be live on Tuesday at 6 p.m. Central Time. The trends are for until the end. Right now, the trends to the downside on the higher time frames for Bitcoin, so I don't see any reason why that should not continue to the downside. I'm sorry to say that, but until you reclaim 95K, I'm not really bullish on the trend, the overall trend reversing back to the upside. So smaller time frames are going to do what smaller time frames are going to do, but the overall trend is obviously to the downside. The obvious target to me right now, short term on the daily time frame, is $75,000. If we cannot really reclaim, I would say about $90,300. That's my update, guys, for Bitcoin. I'm more bearish than bullish on it right now. And that's what I see going on. I'll see you guys in the next one. And for right now, I wouldn't be long in Bitcoin, at least not on the weekend, especially towards the end of the year. There's lower volume, especially at the end of the year. So that's my update, guys.